Hi again. Back to the Floral States of America, Block 4. And we have Georgia. So we're going to open up Georgia. Oh, I love this fabric. Love, love, love it. That's peachy, like a Georgia peach. Look at this fabric. Isn't that beautiful? And then we have the white and the blue. We have our sheet that's going to tell us what we need. And here is our postcard. And the capital is Atlanta. The statehood was January 2nd and 1788. The state bird is the brown thrasher. The state flower is the Cherokee rose. The big production is peanuts. It is 59,425 square miles. The famous person is Martin Luther King Jr. And an interesting fact is Georgia produces more than 40 varieties of peaches. Oh my goodness, those are my favorite. And the quilt shop to visit is Shirt Off Your Back Quilts. Oh, I can't, maybe I'll say that. Alpharetta, Georgia. All right, let's get to it. So the first thing is it's going to have me to take my blue and my floral and sew and make two of them. So one. So we're going to make two of these. And then we're going to make two white. I don't know, do they call this broken dishes, this block? I'm not sure. They are definitely using very traditional blocks. Now it's calling for two white and two floral. Basically, we're making half square triangles. I wonder how this is going to fit into this quilt. We're going to cut that. I need to move this sheet to another spot. It's covering my buttons. So here we go. So for the blue and 2, 3, 4, we should have our blue here, and it's saying that we are pressing them towards the blue. So we have that, and then the white is up, and it's saying we're pressing the white. Let's see, if we have the white here, we're pressing the white towards, no, we're pressing, how would we do, okay. We're pressing this. Second. Yes. So did I do that wrong? I might have done this wrong already. Everyone wants to, let me see, this blue. Oh, I did. Okay, so I have to go back here and press this. Sometimes this gets me a little wonky. It's having me press towards the floral on both of them. If I'm reading this right, it's having me press towards the floral on both. I guess if you're opening your seams, it doesn't matter. Now we have that, and it's going to have us have our blue and our floral and our white and our floral, and we are going to stitch two of those. Now, so that I don't make the mistake that I did in the last video, let's check out what I've got going on. We have that, looks like that, and yes. So both of these have to be pressed to the white, but I cannot web these because that goes there and then this comes around, which is my mistake I did the last one. So you see, I'm learning. This is my 4th block, and as I'm going, I'm learning the trademark of, I guess, putting together cotton cuts blocks. And here we go. Georgia. I have this, and now I have to pop the seam. And I understand why they have us pop the seam. It's just to let things lay flatter. It's something I don't do often, but I do understand it. And here we go. We have our Georgia block. And so I'm going to take my postcard and another clip. I'm going to need 50 of these clips. I'll have to look for some more clips later. And I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to take my paper from the last state and put it together with this state. And I'm going to keep it in my little handy photo album right here. So far I have made 4. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself, pass it forward, and if you see something that you like, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, there's a bell notification button. That would be great too. So see you soon. Take care. Bye.